What's up guys? Gusto ko lang po sanang i-share sa inyo itong mugwort ng Glad to Glow. Ayan, perfect na perfect po ito para sa may mga oily skin, acne problem, open ang kanilang pores, may redness, at marumi yung kanilang mukha. So kagaya ko mga idol, as you can see, mamantika po yung aking mukha. Open po yung aking pores. So ayan po ang isa sa aking problema. Ayan, may mga redness po. May mga dark spot. No filter po yan guys ha. Wala pong filter yan. No filter at all. No makeup. Ano nga ba ang nasa loob ng Miracle Stick? Meron itong mugwort extract na kilala for its powerful soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Nakakatulong ito para pahupain ng redness, bawasan ng irritation at i-calm ang acne-prone skin. Meron din itong salicylic acid, a trusted ingredients pagdating sa acne care. Nakakatulong itong linisin ng pores, alisin ang dead skin cells, at i-prevent ang future breakouts. And here what it does for your skin. Pore control, acne care, oil control, deep cleansing, barrier repair. Paano nga ba gamitin ito mga idol? Simple lang. Twist and swipe directly at the clean, dry skin, especially sa oily and breakout prone areas like nose, forehead, and chin. Leave it on for 15 minutes para mag-work ang ingredients. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use it 2 to 3 times a week lang. No need every day.
Wow!
So guys, if you are interested to avail this product, ayan, feel free to click the yellow basket.